a question I get a lot. Where do my Codex files actually go? Let's find out right now, live. So here's the big difference between Codex and something like ChatGPT or Claude. When you upload or generate files there, they live in the cloud. Codex? Everything it creates lives right here, on your computer. Let's prove it. I'm going to create a project because this is the easiest way to control exactly where your files land. I'll call this one Content Ideas and drop it in my Codex folder, then hit Create Project. Now, any chat I start inside this project saves straight into this exact folder. I'll ask it to write a quick outline and save it. While that's running, this is the trick. I can check exactly where it's going to land before it even finishes. Open the project from the left sidebar, then hover over its name. You'll see a small pop-up. Click the folder icon and it'll instantly open the actual project folder on your computer. Right now, mine is still empty because the agent hasn't finished its work yet. Once Codex finishes the task, watch this folder. The file just appears. There it is. That file isn't stored on some server. It's sitting right here on my hard drive in the exact project folder I chose. And one more shortcut. Anytime Codex finishes a file, you can click this little down arrow next to it and hit Open in Folder to jump straight there too. No hunting around. So remember, work inside a project if you want organized, predictable file locations. Chats outside a project still save locally, but they won't be sorted into a folder for you. They'll just float in a default location. Projects keep everything tidy. That's it. Now you'll never lose a Codex file again. See you in the next one.